Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says, let x naught, y naught be the solution of the following equations, this and this. So, they have given you two equations and they are talking about solution. So, first try to understand what does this mean, solution. What is the meaning of solution? The meaning of solution is you have to find out the point at which these two curves are intersecting. We have studied this kind of situation in class 10th where we have studied linear equation in two variables. So we have tried to find out point of intersection of two lines, correct? And we call it as solution. Okay, so means we guys are interested in finding the point at which both functions are equal, correct? And over there we have studied so many different methods to solve these kind of problems. We have studied elimination, substitution, cross multiplication, and graphical approach. So what we will do here, I don't know how to do other manipulations, but here we will use substitution. Okay, so we will convert. Here we want x, so what I will do, I will convert every equation in terms of x, means we will try to remove y. Okay, start manipulating this equation. So it goes 2x to the power ln2. What is ln2? ln2 is log 2 and the base of the log is e. It is natural log. 3y to the power ln3. So what I will do? I have problem with the power. So what I will do? I will take log on both sides. And if you will think about the log, the base of the log should be e, because here in this question base of the log is e. So we'll take log on both sides. So can I write ln 2x power ln2 equals ln 3y power ln3? You know that if anything is in the power of argument will come at coefficient. So can I ask this 2 to come at coefficient? So it is ln2 and then it is ln2 plus ln x. Here it is what? ln2x. So here can I apply log mn formula? So we did the same. ln3 and here it is ln3 plus lny. Now what I will do, I will remove this y, lny. So we have to find out value of lny. So look at this, I will use this equation. Here also if you'll observe, things are in the power. So 3 power ln x is equal to 2 power ln y. So what I will do, I will take ln on both sides. So ln 3 power ln x ln 2 power ln y. Okay, so it will come at coefficient. So it is ln x ln 3, here it is ln y ln 2. Okay, now value of ln y will become what? Ln x ln 3 upon ln 2. So I will replace this y. Okay, so it will become ln 3 plus ln x ln 3 by ln 2 ln 2 ln 2 ln x. Now look at this, what I will do, I will keep all x together and all constant together. So here we will write ln 2 ln x and this thing this side. Okay, so it is minus of ln x ln 3 whole square by ln 2 equals ln 3 square minus ln 2 square. I kept constant one side and variable other side. So look at this, take LCM. So if you will take LCM, I will take ln x common also. So ln x common and then take LCM. So it is ln2 whole square minus ln3 whole square upon ln2. And look at this, here it is ln2 minus ln3, here it is ln3 minus ln2. So can I take minus common? So it is ln2 square ln3 square. Now can I neutralize, because it's a number, so this thing gone. So can I write ln x equals minus of ln2? I can compare this thing, but we have problem with this minus. So can I write ln 2 power minus 1? Can I write ln 1 by 2? Okay. So from here onwards, can I write x equals to 1 by 2? Hence, this is your x naught. And suppose you have to find y naught, can I replace ln x with minus of ln2? And then ln2 gone, we are left with minus of ln3. So y will become what? 1 by 3. So y is 1 by 3. So this is your point of intersection. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.